I'm Shannon Marin, Vancouver Island Realtor, and this is Ramblings for Real Estate Agents. The market is tough. Don't freak out your buyers. What I mean by that is make sure that before you are helping your buyers get into this market in these current conditions is so crazy. Yes, I said it's crazy. But we want to make sure that your buyer is prepared before they get out there. There's lots of things to consider, and we're in it every day. We don't realize the things that our buyers don't know. They depend on us for that information. So what I mean is, in the current climate where a buyer is going out to purchase a home, they need to know that if they're only approved for $700,000 for a purchase, you're shopping only up till $650, because we know that the houses are going to go into multiple offers. This is something you need to explain to your buyer. You need to sit them down and do a consultation and make sure that they know the current conditions in the market. Number two is to make sure they understand all the terms of the contract, especially price, like we talked about, but also that they're going to have to put forth a deposit, and normally a substantial deposit. You need to prepare them for that. They don't know what a completion date is or what a closing date may be. They understand possession, but all these different terms should be explained to them. Chattels and inclusions, we need to talk to them about what might be included and what is excluded. Also, the subjects. What is a title? What does a property disclosure do? What does it mean when you take a trip to City Hall? It's not a very good thing if all of a sudden you're out in the field, you're showing houses, and they go, "This is my dream home, I want to write an offer," and now you're trying to backtrack and explain all of this stuff to them. So make sure that before you start working with your buyers and getting out there, you're taking the time to have a consultation and making sure that they're very comfortable with the whole process. Answer all their questions and make them feel safe and secure before you get them out there into that crazy market. Thanks so much for watching. For more great tips on how to be a successful realtor, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.